Hello everybody, welcome to M2E Pro. In this video tutorial we'll show you how to get started. First of all, we'll obtain M2E Pro from Magento Connect. Then we'll import the extension key. And finally, we'll perform software installation. It is recommended to install extension with cache enabled in Magento. Go to System, Cache Management. After the installation, you can disable it again. In case compilation is enabled in your Magento, please disable it before installation. Go to System, Tools, Compilation. Once extension is installed, you should run compilation process again. Let's install M2E Pro. Under your Magento admin panel, go to System, Magento Connect, Magento Connect Manager. Next we go to Magento Connect and search for M2E Pro. Once located, we click on the link select necessary platform. If you are required to sign in, please do and press Install now. If your Magento version is less than 1.5, then you should go for Magento Connect 1.0. If it is 1.5 and above, then you should choose 2.0 version, like we do, for example. Next, tick I agree and press Get Extension Key. Then we select the key, go back to our Magento Connect Manager page. We copy and paste it where it says Paste Extension Key to install. The package we've chosen is shown over here, and as you can see, it's ready to be installed. All we have to do is to click on Proceed button. Finally, when we see the message saying Cache cleaned successfully, we know that M2E Pro has been installed. We can now refresh the page and what we see is M2E Pro being installed. Now let's go back to our Magento admin page and we should now see two new tabs called Sell on eBay and Sell on Multi-Channels.